tale of hope in darkest cries, a sacred light that never dies. Through the trials deep and battles fierce, a steady hand, His voice I hear. On the mountain top or valley low, in every step His love will show. But the ancient truth, they call me back to the fortress strong. No fear, no lack, on this rocky road. Clear paths, I find my way, not on my own. Through the fire and rain, His words remain, a beacon bright in endless pain. I've read His words in ancient scrolls, promises made for every soul. Light that won't fade through every ache, holding my faith, but I won't break from the Psalms. They sing, all hearts yield, echoing grace, His love revealed. In from the station, stars long we still, God's light I light, I feel the real. I sing from the sea face, from the sea face, Jesus left Lord, Jesus left Lord. Though storms may rise and thunder roar, His strength within I shall restore. In every heartbeat and every breath, I'm standing tall, I fear no death, I find my peace.
In the stillness of the night, I feel Your presence near, but distance pulls us apart. Oh, how I wish You were here. Miles and miles between us, yet my heart still holds You close. Every memory we've made, like a cherished fading rose. Far away, love like stars in the sky, shining bright, yet so far I wonder why. Through our souls entwine. Across the distance, our love will brightly shine.